Hi, welcome to CLLST. This is in continuation with the series of current legal events of 2019. So in this session, I'll talk about writ jurisdiction. So we all know what a writ jurisdiction is. So generally, Supreme Court and High Court issues writ to the enforcement bodies or to different to lower courts to do their work in order to enforce the fundamental right and legal right. So we all know that there are two articles 32 and 226 which generally talks about writ jurisdiction. So under article 32 you can approach to the Supreme Court in case your fundamental right is being violated. Under article 226 you can approach to the High Court in case your fundamental right or legal right is being violated. So there's a difference between article 226 and article 32. Article 32 can be utilized only in case fundamental right is being violated, while article 226 gives a wider jurisdiction to High Court where you can utilize it in case your fundamental right is being violated or your legal right is being violated. So generally you have options of visiting either Supreme Court or High Court. So there is no bar that you can't go to Supreme Court directly. But generally it is advisable that, for example, if my fundamental right has been violated, so instead of going to Supreme Court, I shall go to the High Court. So recently in Maharashtra Chess Association case, the Supreme Court again discussed this issue and said that if it is about writ jurisdiction, it does not bars you from moving to other alternative options. For example, if your right has been violated, so you can either go to Delhi High Court or if your matter is pending in Delhi High Court, you can go to the Bombay High Court or you can directly move to the Supreme Court. So there is no such bar as to that you can't move or you can't avail the alternative options which is available to you. But generally it is advisable that in Supreme Court already so many cases are pending. So instead of going to Supreme Court, first I shall avail my right in the High Court. So this is what about the writ jurisdiction and what Supreme Court has discussed. And there are 5 kinds of writs. So we all know that there are 5 kinds of writ: writ of habeas corpus, writ of mandamus, quo warranto, certiorari and prohibition. In next series, I'll talk about the basics of all these 5 writs. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next videos on all the 5 kinds of writs. Thank you.
Career Launcher. Make your parents explode with joy.